raining. Just picked up again. Just got back to the ranch. And I guess the word of the day would be disparaging. Yeah. I think I got probably 2,500 steps in before it just started to do that. But the weather forecast says we should be expecting some flooding today. And at this point, they got a witness. You got a believer. We got flooding right now. That's probably, I don't know, 3 inches of water. You won't see Bentley anywhere near that. Maybe it's cousin Moose, but not Bentley. Alright. I'll try to post this and try not to be so disparaging. But that's rain for you. Whether or not, we're gonna have weather. Peace out, everybody.